Here we are at the Dollar Tree. Let's take a look at what they have today. All right, guys. So at the very entrance, we have some more Halloween stuff, guys. But I've been at different Dollar Trees. So let's enjoy what we see. So we have those containers down there. These are new, guys, to this Dollar Tree. And we have different kinds here. We have this one. What does that say? Happy Halloween. And the purple one. Okay, then we have these red baskets. And these black ones. Let's see. That's what the black one says. Then we have these little candy buckets. There is the pumpkin. And then we have the paper bags. And here's the ghost. And here is a reusable bag. Let's see if they have any kind of other ones. That one says cast a spell. So these guys are new to the Dollar Tree near my home. Alright, then they have these down here. It says trick or treat. Trick or treat. And then these back here. Oh no, okay, we saw those. Then we have these things down here. This purple, this is a tray. Then here's some netting. And there's the witch's hat. And some squishies. Oh look, they brought the squishies. I saw these guys at the Dollar General. And they were also $1. Aren't they adorable? And there's the pumpkin. And here, guys, is the cat. And here's the ghost. Oh, how cute. Alright, so here we have the tinsel, spider, pumpkin, and ghost. He has such a cute face. These skeletons here, and the green, the white, and the orange along the bottom. And there you have that creepy cloth and the eyes. Then you have these door covers. So, okay, so we have this kind. Then we have that kind. And we have this kind. That kind. Okay. And this one too. So they have quite a bit. Look at this one. Wow. So we have quite a bit of these covers for the doors. And then what are these? Okay, so these are the cauldron little buckets, trick or treat, and they come in multicolor. Then you have those. Those are new. Then you have the signs and the little tinsel. Pumpkin, the ghost, and the witch's boot, and I think the witch's hat. And then these are the signs they have. There's the witch's hat. And look, they have here's Dracula or the vampire. I would say Dracula. Alright, guys. And let me just scan this wall for you here. These are the cups. Oh, look at this. These are the little champagne glasses with the little skull hands. And the purple, the orange, and the black. And there's the little sippy cups. So you have this pumpkin. These are the kinds you have, guys. And then these are what? Little shot glasses. That's really nice for Halloween parties. And then you have the wine glasses along the bottom. Some scarecrows over here. And then over here we have the sunflowers. And we have the owls, the wooden owls. And they're the little tiny sunflowers. Maple leaves. These are the scarecrows. These are the signs. And I'll just scan this wall for you. The harvest decor. I think we kind of ran out of the ribbon. I only see those. And then here is your fall. We have the skulls. Okay. And these are the hands. Look at the size of these things, guys. Okay, and then you have this one. Then you have these. Then you have the little bones. And here are the tongs. And these are glow in the dark skeletons. And even they have a garland. So they have a pumpkin carving kit. Okay. And then they have this LED light. Then you have your little pumpkin lights over here and your skulls. Somebody put that toothpaste there. And I think these are the bats. Yep. Then you have some more lights here, and then you have the orange and the purple lights. And these are the party bulbs, and these are the tea lights. These are the LED lights. And then you have your Halloween socks. These are really nice. They feel very, very nice and soft. These are the ones that go up to the knee. So they have this kind here, and then they have the llama with the witch's hat, the pumpkin. Okay, and then you have your tea lights over here in the orange and the black. Then here are your ornaments. They're your party bowls, and there's some deco mesh, and then your craft containers. Here you have your ornaments, the mini ones in the orange, black, and purple. And here, guys, are your pumpkins. I gotta stock up on those. Here's your bats and your felt. And here's some ceramic painting sets. Here you have your fillers, your pumpkin fillers. Okay. Here are the skulls in the white, and these pumpkins in the orange and purple. And then here are your bows. I'm going to scan that for you guys. Let's see. At this Dollar Tree, I think this is a deer. I hope I'm right. Okay, here's the bat headband. And there is the lion mask, the raccoon mask. These are, let's see, the vest, the scary mask, the animal nose. Those are new, guys, to this Dollar Tree. I don't think I've ever seen those. Then you have these unicorn heads, and there are your knight chest plate and the ninja vest, the axe. And here for the little girls, you have the ladybug, your boas, your bumblebee. Very pretty, guys, the whole set. Your light up masks are all along the bottom here. So pretty much we're set for Halloween. Down here we have the owls. And then we have some more of this wreath hangers in colors. And look, they even have a wreath hanger in the football. Then you have some decorative picks. Then you have, look, the sugar skull tray. I don't think I saw this last year. Then we have some more of these wooden pumpkins. Okay, and pretty much we don't have very much of the ribbon except for those. Here you have the buckets and the owl and the scarecrow. Here's some more mesh. And some more pumpkins and the brooms and the welcome signs. And here, guys, is the pumpkin lights, the leaf. I like those. Okay, here's some more pics. Here are the brooms. They really went all out this year for Halloween. Deco mesh. Here's some felt stickers and the witch's hat. Deco mesh. And here are the LED witches. And those are the LED little lanterns. Okay, guys, thank you for coming with me to the Dollar Tree to check out their Halloween stuff, and I'll see you in the next video, guys.